Today, we're on site taking a closer look at Deckorators Voyage Collection, a game changer in decking that redefines performance, stability, and design versatility. Voyage features Surestone trademark technology, which is a mineral-based composite and the new entry to the composite PVC decking world. Today, we're showing Sierra and Tundra in 1x6 and 1x8 3/16 stainless steel screws and plugs. First off, the weight. These boards are 35% lighter than traditional composites, making them easier to handle on site and faster to install without sacrificing the strength. And then there's stability. The Surestone trademark boards don't absorb moisture. Therefore, it won't swell, warp, or sag, even in extreme environments in front of the ocean. What it does, it allows you to do very precise installs. In this case, 1/16 of an inch precise versus composites and PVCs, which are going to be somewhere between 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. So it allows you to do this herringbone to be tight, precise throughout the entire job. Next is heat resistance. They minimize the heat with infrared reflective caps and reduces the skin contact through these micro embossings. Let's talk about warranties. Deckorators offers a 50-year structural and a 25-year fade and stain, which are pretty standard in today's world. However, they offer best-in-class 25-year removal and repair warranty. Now that's confidence in every board. Deckorators Voyage is built for the journey ahead. Like and subscribe at AdvantageLumber.com. See you next time.